Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the grille guard on a Volkswagen Jetta 5th generation. This one right here we're talking about. It will be the same from 2005 all the way until 2010. It will be the same for the Golf as well, and I think for the Passat, but not quite sure yet. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Okay, first we will need to use a T30 socket. Okay, let's start looking right here. So we need to remove that bolt right there. As you can see, this is on the front right side facing the engine, so it's kind of like a screw, not even a bolt, and one on the left side as well. So altogether you have two bolts, two screws that you need to remove. Okay, just like that. And now on the bottom you have two more with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, right there, that you need to remove, and those are hidden, as you can see right there. So you need to get them loose, okay, like that. And there is one on this side as well, right there. And you need to get them loose all the way. Sometimes they don't come out because they're in an angle. This one did, but the one there didn't. And now there is a few clips right here that you need to push in like that. Okay, and there is one here as well. And okay, once you do that, okay, you can see the grill start coming out. Now there is a clip right here that you need to pull out as well. Okay, and this one here is still holding a little bit because it doesn't want to come out of the hole. But okay, that's how you remove it, guys. Okay, and those were actually, they fell off, so you have to make sure that you have those metal plates right here. You see, this one is missing, this one fell off, and the other one as well. We need to install it because otherwise you won't be able to get the bottom screws tightened when you install it on the car. So that's how you remove it, guys, and you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.